In this video, we're going to deal with poor, sloppy steering on this Ariens lawn tractor, and these are the same as Husqvarna lawn tractors. And what they have is a plastic steering bushing like this, less than 20 bucks. We'll fix that steering up and show you how to replace it. You can see that bushing in there on the steering shaft. It's just plastic. So we'll pop it out. You might use a pry bar, screwdriver, whatever, to pop it up and slide it up the shaft. Okay, so to get that bushing out, you're going to have to pull the plastic cover off. And here you've got a 19mm nut. And then we can lift our steering wheel off. And then lift your steering wheel bushing off. And then we're going to have to go back inside. I've gone ahead and removed the battery in here just so I can get in here. Yours might come out easier, but I used a pry bar and just went underneath it, right up, and I should be able to slide that off. Now that we've got our part out, we can compare it. It's exactly the same size. There's a notch here and an arrow that's going to go to the front. You can tell that one is obviously more ovaled out than the other one. I wish they would put something better in here, like a brass bushing or even a bearing. It could last. I had another lawn tractor that just had a steel washer for the steering bushing, and it went. It got so bad that you couldn't even steer the thing anymore. It would just skip. So we can now take our new part. I'm going to slide it down the steering shaft. And you can already tell that's a lot tighter. You have to slide that all the way to the bottom. So what I found to go over the steering shaft to push that tool in is the handle for my floor jack. So that goes on there pretty well. It's not angled, which would make it even better. But so we're going to try tapping that, pushing down. You got to make sure that slot or that notch is in the slot. Let me just show you what I did here. Because my jack handle is not notched or on an angle, I was having a hard time getting it to drive the new bushing down. So I took the old bushing, flipped it upside down, and because the bushings are on an angle, that worked perfectly. I was able to use the jack handle and just use a hammer and hammer that new bushing in there. So there's the jack handle, and there's that old bushing on top of the new one. That old bushing will just slide out and throw it away. And there's the new bushing installed. And then just reinstall your steering wheel the opposite way you took it off. Reinstall your bushing gear. And your steering wheel, so it's lined up how you like it. Washer, nut. Most of our play's gone. Install your cap. And we're done.